Hello everyone. In this lecture, we learn about reading intentions and micro expressions. Let's try a quick observation. Think about the last time someone said, I'm fine, but something about it didn't feel right. Maybe it was their tone, their face, or just a subtle feeling you couldn't explain, and you knew they weren't really fine. So, how did you know? What are micro expressions? Micro expressions are very quick, subtle facial expressions. They happen automatically in a fraction of a second, often without the person realizing. For example, a brief frown, a slight tightening of the lips, a quick change in the eyes. They reveal underlying emotions even when someone is trying to hide them. What are intentions? Intentions are the why behind behavior, not just what someone is saying, but what they are feeling, wanting, or planning. For example, someone might say something casually, but their intention could be seeking approval, hiding discomfort, testing your reaction. Anything is possible. How your brain picks this up? Most of the time, you don't consciously analyze these signals. Your brain detects patterns, reads emotional cues, compares with past experiences, and then gives you a feeling like something is off. They are not being fully honest. This is your perception working quietly. What to look for? Instead of trying to read everything, focus on a few simple cues. Eyes, it might mean tension, avoidance, softness. Mouth, tightness, hesitation. Tone of voice, mismatch with words. Or timing, maybe pauses, delays. You don't need to analyze deeply, just notice gently. The most important skill is congruence. Ask yourself, do their words, tone, or expressions match each other? If everything aligns, communication feels natural. If something doesn't match, you may sense inconsistency. A simple practice for everyone. During your next conversation, try this. Listen to the words, observe the face, notice the tone, and ask yourself quietly, what am I sensing here? No judgment, just awareness. Staying balanced. This is important. Don't assume. I know exactly what they are thinking. Instead, think, I'm noticing something, let me stay aware. Because awareness is helpful. Assumptions can be misleading. You don't need to become overly analytical. You just need to become more observant because people are always communicating, not just with words, but with subtle signals. And the more you notice, the more clearly you begin to understand. In the next lesson, we'll expand this even further. Group telepathy experiments where multiple people create shared awareness together. I'll see you there.